Hello, how to solve this problem without the use of calculator? This is 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. Now, I can express this 5 here as summation of 4 and 1. So this will be 16 power 4 plus 1 minus 16 power 4. Now, if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. I apply this right here. This will be 16 power 4 times 16 to the power of 1 minus 16 power 4. So from here, I can factor out 16 power 4. This divides 16 power 4, I have 16 minus 16 power 4 divides 16 power 4, I have 1. 16 power 4 times 16 minus 1, I have 15. Now, what I can do will be to express 16 as 2 power 4. Remember, 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this will be 2 to the power of 4 times 4 times 15. Now, if you have a to the power of m raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times n. So right now, I will do this. I will multiply this exponents. So this is 2 power 16 times 15. And this will give us 2 power 16 is simply 2 power, I can have it as 10 plus 6 times 15. And remember, if you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a power m. So applying that here, you have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6 times 15. So from here, you have 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is 2 times 2 times 2 into 10 places. Remember, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So 2 to the power of 10 will be 2 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 2 because 5 times 2 is 10. And this will be 32 power 2. This will be 1024. So this is 1024 times 2 power 6. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64 times 15. So we need to multiply this out to get the final answer. So we start with this 1024 times 64. Let's multiply this out first. So this is multiplication. 4 times 4, 16, 6 over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. So right now, we are going to have 6 times 4, that is 24. 4 over 2. We have 6 times 2, that is 12 plus 2, 14. 4 over 1. 6 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1, we have 1. Then 6 times 1, we have 6. So let's add this. 6, we bring it down. This will be 13. 3 over 1 add here. This is 5. This is 5. And this is 6. 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. So we are going to multiply this by 15 to get our final answer. Half times 15. So we have 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 times 15. Alright, 5 times 6, that is 30. 0 over 3. 5 times 3, that is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. We have 8 and over 1. 5 times 5 again, that is 25. 25 plus 1, that is 26. 6 carry over 2. Then 5 times 5 again, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. 7 carry over 2. 5 times 6, that is 30. 30 plus 2, we have 32. Let's consider 1. 1 times 6, we have 6. 1 times 3, this is 3. 1 times 5, this is 5. 1 times 5 again, this is 5. And 1 times 6, this is 6. So we add up 0, we bring it here. 8 plus 6, this is 14. 4 carry over 1 and add here. This becomes 10. 0 and carry over 1 and add here. This becomes 8. 8 plus 5. 8 factor is 13. 3 carry over 1 and add here. This becomes 3 plus 5. This is 8. And 3 plus 6, this is 9. So you have 9, 8, 3, 0, 40. This is our answer for 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4. This is 983,840. Now, if you express this as 2 to the power of 4, which is 16 to the power of 5, minus this 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 4, this is supposed to give you 983,040. And if you multiply this 4 times 5, that is 20. This is 2 to the power of 20. Minus 2 to the power of 16. This will give you 983,040. So we have achieved all this without the use of calculator, guys. So I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.